Congratulations on the purchase of your new Kia e-Niro. Here's just a quick video to get you up to speed on some of the internal features of this car. So on the right hand door panel we have our electric folding mirrors, button here at the front, so we flick it left to fold in and we flick it right to fold out. We have our mirror adjustment settings which actually adjust the positioning of the mirror. We have our window locking button, central locking, and our 4 automatic window switches. Onto our steering wheel then, we have our cruise control devices on the right, so we click this button to set our cruise control, and to set the desired speed we just flick down on this little button here to set the desired speed. If you want to adjust the speed manually, you just click up to increase and down to decrease. This is our lane keep assist button here, and then we have our adaptive cruise control feature. This feature works using a front radar camera located here behind the mirror. This will send a radar out in front of the car and it will set a certain speed between you and the car in front of you. It will also adjust the speed in accordance with the car that is in front. We then have our regenerative braking paddle shifts at the back. So if we want to increase our regenerative braking, we flick the left hand one. If you want to decrease it, we click the right hand one. On the left hand side of our steering wheel then, we have our multimedia functions. So we can make or decline calls using these buttons here. We can adjust the volume on our radio by flicking up or down. And we also have our voice recognition button. Now the most common question we get on our new cars is how to connect our Bluetooth devices. So to connect your phone on the Kia e-Niro, you just swipe left, you then click the phone device and you click OK. You then go onto your phone and go to your Bluetooth settings. You'll see Kia pops up at the bottom, you just click on that. You then click pair and then allow your contacts to sync, and your hands-free device will be free to use. Coming below then, we have our automatic climate control. So if you want to set it automatically, you just flick this button here in the middle. This adjusts the temperature here by twisting this dial, and this adjusts the power of the air conditioning by twisting this dial here, and we also turn it on using this button. We also have a wireless charging point on this ledge in here. We have one USB port, we have two 12-volt charging stations, and we also have our heated seats, so our passenger side heated seats, our driver side heated seat, our heated steering wheel, our auto hold function, our parking sensor buttons, and we can choose between 3 different drive modes, between eco, normal and sport mode. And we also have our electric handbrake. This little dial here is our automatic transmission, which we twist to the right to operate drive, twist to the left, and as you see you have a reversing camera here in the display. And then if you want to park the car, you just click P and pull up your handbrake. If you have any further questions on your Kia e-Niro, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.